Hey, I hope you've been enjoying all these makeup tutorials. If you're new here, I'm Brixenta. I am an entrepreneur and I love makeup, so here we are. So I actually already have my lips done because I just did a TikTok, but I'm gonna do them in a darker color for you to see, so you can see what I did. If you missed how I did the eyeliner or eyeshadow or foundation, then there are 3 prior videos to this that will be in a playlist. I think it's over here, might be over there. If not, if I forget, you can go to my YouTube channel and click on playlists and click on makeup tutorials. So if you want to know any of the makeup that I've used, let me know. If you want me to help you with products, because I have my own products as well. If you want me to help you figure out what the least expensive is or the highest quality, whatever the case, let me know. I would love to help you with customer service in that area. So just text me or leave a comment below, send me a DM, whatever you're comfortable with. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your lipstick. I like liquid lipstick. I don't like using lip liner. I think it's an unnecessary step. Some people have to use lip liner, otherwise it's a mess, and that's totally fine if that's you. Or if you have something, this is a liquid lipstick and it dries down matte and it doesn't move. So if you're gonna do something like a regular tube of lipstick or like just a regular tube of lipstick, this one would actually probably not need it either because it's matte, but like a regular tube of lipstick or something that's really glossy or something like that, you probably want to use a lip liner. That way when it moves around, it doesn't go outside of the lip liner. The lip liner will help keep that in place. But if you're using something that's matte, it doesn't really move around too much, so you're okay. So you can do this with lip liner or lipstick, either way works. You could do it with a tube of lipstick. I've done it before too. What you're going to do if you have a tube of lipstick is you're going to take the point and go in that way. You're not going to use the entire flat part until you go to fill in. So what I'm telling you with the applicator is going to work the same for the tube of lipstick. It's just going to be this part of the lipstick here that you're going to concentrate on putting down first to do the lining. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our lipstick and wipe excess off, and then we're gonna go in the bow of our lip with the edge of the applicator. It's hard to do it in the viewfinder. And then you're gonna take and you're gonna do the lower bump. I don't know what to call that. And then you're gonna take the outer corner at the top and line there. And then you're gonna connect it. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then you're going to go to the bottom and do the exact same thing. Outer corner and connect. It's really hard to do this in the viewfinder. And the same thing with the other side. Then I just go through and I reshape if I want to reshape anywhere. Add that a little further out than I want to do. So then after you've gotten the shape that you want, you just take your lipstick and you fill it in. Can you hear my humidifier back there bubbling? That's what that weird noise is. So this didn't go right over here. Didn't do the shape I wanted, so I'm going to reshape it just a little. And now we have lips done. So then if you want to add a little bit of dimension, what you can do is you can take a lighter or a darker color. I like to take a darker color a lot of times because I'm a weirdo, but really to do a lighter color is going to be the best option, because that's going to add, it's going to make your lips look fuller, because when you naturally look, if you were to draw my lips right now, you would naturally draw this part here a little bit lighter because it is rounded and it's not totally flat. So because this part is slightly lighter and you can't really tell, if you add a lighter color over it, it actually makes them look even fuller because it tricks your eye with the white and how it hits it. So you can take a lip gloss or a lighter lipstick. I'm just gonna take a lighter lipstick, I think. And you can either take a brush and blend it out, or you can try to blend it out with the applicator and go right in the middle. And you gotta work fast if you're using a liquid lip color. And then you can either take the applicator and go like this, or you can blend it out with your lips. They will look very similar on this step here. Then you're gonna take a little bit more. I think I'm actually gonna go in with a lighter color even. You can take a third color, or you can go in with that color again, either way, and go right in the middle and blend that out, and do the same thing at the top. So this here, it's not as light as I want it. It's not as light as I want it to be. I think I'm running out. It's hard to talk and do your lips at the same time. It's a very difficult thing to do. That's why I'm not talking. All right, see how they look fuller now? Whatever look you like, go for that. I kind of like the darker. And then what I did was I used purple and I used pink, so it gave it an ombre look as well. You can use the same color in different shades, however you want to do it. So I forgot what I was going to say. I have no idea. No idea. So you can do a lot of different things with makeup. If you want to see a certain type of look, let me know. I would love to do some more of these because they're fun and I love makeup, and makeup just makes me so happy. I'm gonna do my hair in the next video, so I don't have a ton of tips, but I have been on this like kick of like Brad Mondo and Guy Tang videos, so I learned some things there. I'm just gonna do something pretty simple, so stay tuned for that video. If you want to see how I did the eyes and you missed it, there's a playlist. I'm gonna try to put a card in one of these corners. I think it's over here. Makeup tutorials, so you can go back and watch those. I love you so much. I believe in you, and dream big and take action.